Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 magnetic charging cables of 2026. If you're tired of dealing with tangled cords and want a solution that combines convenience and efficiency, you're in the right place. Let's check out these fantastic products that will simplify your charging experience. First up, we have the Magnetic Charging Cable 5-pack. This impressive set includes cables of varying lengths, 1.6, 3.3, and 6.6 feet. They feature a remarkable 540-degree rotating design, allowing you to position your devices at any angle. Perfect for both micro USB and USB-C devices, this set also includes an LED light, so you can easily locate the cable in the dark. With a price of just $17.99 and a solid 4.3 out of 5-star rating, it's a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their charging setup. Each cable is designed for durability, ensuring they can withstand daily use without fraying or breaking. Next on our list is the Magnetic Charging Cable 6-pack, which offers a bit more versatility with cable lengths of 3 feet, 6 feet, and a long 10-foot option. This 3-in-1 charging solution is compatible with iProduct, micro USB, and Type-C devices, making it an excellent choice for families with multiple devices. Priced at $21.84 and rated at 4.1 stars, this nylon-braided cable not only looks great but also provides durability and tangle resistance. The 540-degree rotation feature means you can charge your devices from any angle, making it incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're at home or on the go, this set has you covered. Coming in third is the Terasako Magnetic Charging Cable 5-pack. These cables come in lengths of 3, 6, and 10 feet, making them suitable for various charging needs. Featuring a unique 90-degree angle connector, this design is perfect for gaming or watching videos while charging. Priced at $19.99 with a rating of 4.1 out of 5, these nylon-braided cords not only look stylish but are also built to last. The added LED light feature helps you locate your cable easily, even in low light conditions. Whether you're charging your phone, tablet, or other devices, this magnetic charging cable set is a fantastic choice. Fourth on our list is the 540 rotation Magnetic Charging Cable 7-pack. This comprehensive pack includes cables of 1.6, 3.3, 6.6, and even 10 feet, making it incredibly versatile for any situation. Compatible with micro USB, Type-C, and other devices, you'll never be caught without a suitable cable again. Priced at $20.99 and rated 4 out of 5 stars, this set is perfect for anyone who values convenience. The 540-degree rotation feature allows for easy connections, while the varying lengths ensure you can reach your device from wherever you are. If you're looking for flexibility and multiple options, this pack is definitely worth considering. Last but not least, we have the 6mm magnetic USB-DC charger cable. This 2.7-foot replacement charging cord is specifically designed for rechargeable toys, massagers, electric toothbrushes, and more. Priced at just $6.99 and holding a solid rating of 4.2 out of 5, this cable is affordable and practical for specialized devices. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and the magnetic connection ensures that it stays securely in place while charging. If you have gadgets that require a specific charging solution, this magnetic USB cable is an essential addition to your collection. In conclusion, these top 5 magnetic charging cables of 2026 offer a variety of options to suit your charging needs. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect cable for your devices. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for more information on these products.